Good afternoon. This is Dheeraj Shetty, and thank you for being part of today's digital transformation to higher education. Digital transformation today plays a major role in one's customer needs. It's all about new innovation and experiences. Our customers around the world are focused on building more and more digital processes into core business operations, their supply chains, and customers' employee interactions. The need for flexibility, resilience, and speed has never been higher because today the most successful businesses are becoming more efficient, automated, and digital at the core so they can adapt and innovate quickly and efficiently. To succeed in the long term, your business needs to be really good at anticipating and meeting customer employee needs so that you can help form a rapid execution to any of your organization. While getting to anyone's need, the new innovation experience plays a major role in one's strengthening security to any of these innovation for digital innovation. How do we help rapidly deliver any application in the most predominantly access and time with the help of new outcome generation? Customers today are more demanding than ever before because students expect the fastest and the most flexible model which they want to work from the dormitory, the library, or from home. More flexible work styles work from anywhere. And we all know students want to use the latest and greatest mobile devices and they expect a mobile experience with the real-time updates and a self-service model. And finally, we are seeing the move towards consumerization, driving new application delivery model. School wants to be able to deliver SaaS-based applications to students such as Office 365 or Gmail, in addition to the most traditional Windows application. And across all of this, users expect a consistent and high performance experience. The digital environment of learning is more flexible today because students demand to be onboarded within the first hour of campus, or let's say if they're onboarding outside their campus, they can also onboard off the campus. IT can establish and enforce access policies for any application in one place today because data lives where you want it to live rather than on any endpoint. Successful organizations today play a major role in experiencing student experience with the highest quality and security. How do we deliver our story with the help of VMware Digital Foundation? You can run all your applications in the environment of your choice while leveraging the people and tooling you already have. You can run them on premises in a fully integrated stack with the help of VMware Cloud Foundation. Or you can access it as a service and let VMware manage it for you through VMware Cloud on AWS. It's also available in any other public cloud, Azure, Google, IBM, and more. Because our hybrid cloud stack runs in every hyperscale cloud, you can now migrating your existing applications without even rewriting them or connect them to a new cloud services to extend any value. You can also work with one of our global VMware cloud providers partners and leverage their managed services. VMware Cloud is the fastest, safer path to hybrid cloud. It provides elastic capacity to scale new users instantly on any demand. And how do we leverage all this? We help you manage your virtual machines, consistent infrastructure, and deliverables across moving your data center workloads into any cloud. You can move native cloud workloads to the data center or run any new container-based applications on any of these environments. Consistent operations plays a major role in one's need because when you're opening in a multi-cloud environment, your IT team needs to manage cost, resource utilization, compliance, and ongoing operations across every cloud your organization uses. Leveraging one's IT needs across various platforms is a core towards digital foundation. VMware helps you drive your hyperconverged architecture story in the most efficient and dependency way. You can remove dependencies from hardware feature sets by abstracting these features away from underlying hardware. You can now address and applicate the right settings to run workloads into any data center. So how does VMware help you in your journey? We help you remove dependencies from hardware feature sets, simplified management driven down TCO and increased agility. We help you deliver application based on what is actually needed to your infrastructure. We help you reduce your compute storage costs so that your TCO can be drastically improved on a high leverage motion, because that is a necessity for any software defined data center today. HCI introduced a new consistent operational model. How does full HCI stack deliver this value? Through the cloud operating model that is made possible by HCI. This is a model proven to be agile and cost effective by any of our cloud providers today, because they understand while they help improve VMware's whole stack, that is storage, compute, and networking, we can completely help you automate your stack so that your lifecycle management, automation ensures security at any given point of time to consume any endpoint so that your management cost to the physical and infrastructure layer remains constant and same. Automation plays a major footprint in one's generation because we help you automate your complete technology by leveraging any blueprints across data services or any compute into new infrastructure model. And how do we do this? We have customers moving in from data center to the core so that you can help leverage your infrastructure into the most segment data center. Cybersecurity plays a major role in one's need because leveraging one's automated network plays a major traffic between your virtual desktops for cybersecurity. So how does microsegmentation help you secure a VDI? How do we achieve this? We help you control traffic between virtual desktops for cybersecurity. And for what purpose? Cybersecurity, as we would prefer, is a spread of VDI breach between two hyperconverged layers, meaning, let's say you have 4 desktops in an environment, we ensure that we don't provide a spread of cybersecurity or a VDI breach within those systems. Can we do this without NSX? Not possible today, because nowadays, until every VDI is protected by a virtual firewall, which does not scale up. And if you come back to any computer labs in your organization, we don't have a distributed firewall, and there is a lack in breach of security, and that is where microsegmentation plays a key role at your data center. So what do we achieve? We achieve, how do we control traffic between virtual desktops for any cybersecurity? Because cybersecurity would prevent adjacent spread on a VDI breach. And with the help of NSX, we will ensure that all your virtual firewall is well protected without harming any scale or environment. Lab as a service, or we also call it as an infrastructure as a service, right? So how do we build a private lab within your organizations to ensure you have your developers access a self-service portal and deploy application based on templates? And for what purpose? Fast and automated deployments of applications for faster time to market. This is where consumers can access a self-service portal and deploy application based on templates that are defined by IT, containing all the required connectivity, security, and available policies. This is in addition to policy through approval workflow, integrating with your IT systems. You can also charge back those costing to any of your users within an organization. Let's say you have 4 departments in an engineering college, a mechanical, ENC, IT, and pharma industrial. Each of these units can be charged back the cost on the application they ask you to leverage to their students or lab. And this can be completely provisioned with the help of automation as a service through our self-service portal. You can ensure that their workflows can be integrated with any other IT systems for costing of any privacy secure templates. The goal of this use case is to enable IT to meet requirements faster than the traditional model where there is a manual handoff between the teams. Often, users can be IT themselves or their customers. Gone are the days when you go and ask an application guy to give you a control to any lab. With the help of self-service automation, time to faster needs is really controlled and manipulated. A lot of customers ask us today seeking inputs on how do we ensure we help data center consolidation and migration in the same way. What do we achieve? We extend layer 2 segments across data centers and enable customers to consolidate data centers. For example, after a merger or an acquisition, or an institute moving from a parent company to a silos data center. For all we know that today's old traditional architecture is all about managing silos infrastructure across buildings. A university will have departments such as pharmaceutical, medical, dental, electrical, and engineering. These days, what we see or the typical behavior is these guys have a silos IT environment to manage, and that becomes a problems in terms of batch management, easy upgrade, and leveraging the right TCU. And this is where we help organizations and universities extend a single data center consolidation so that institutions can now manage it in the most efficient way. We'll help you IT transformation to facilitate within the single business needs so that you have no problems in managing it in a daily life. Again, with the help of NSX, what we're trying to do here is we'll help you simulate workload mobility, hot and cold migration across vCenters in different locations, support for a long distance vMotion, NSX to NSX back sites or vice versa, eliminate need for WAN L2 extension because NSX just works on top of just L3 and we don't require any entry level switches apart from a hot tube box. We also help you migrate multiple sites into a single site, fully preserving the application IP address from each location and without overlapping any IP space. You can also unify security based upon your compliance, right? So that all your workloads can be easily migrated. The customer's goals here are generally to preserve the IP address of the VM and avoid a new dedicated hardware-based data center so that your migration and consolidation becomes more easier. NSX provides a secure, automated, and on-demand solution for such deployments. Another multi-site use case is where we can leverage your data center consolidation and migration. A facility can be either expanded or brought into the required asset of your data center without one's general availability to any need. How do we help your infrastructure modernize at the pace we help you leverage your journey? VMware Hyperconverged Infrastructure provides the simplest path from virtualization to hyperconverged infrastructure and the hybrid cloud. We'll help you enable your modernized journey at your own pace, or you can step through the 3 key phases in turn. Probably phase 1, you can start experiencing with a core HCI powered by VMware vSAN. You can manage compute and storage as one to enable greater agility so that you can foolproof your infrastructure into the most consistent way. You can also build it with the help of a full stack HCI to build a completely automated and private cloud. And the last phase to start with this, you can extend to the hybrid cloud with the help of a VMware Cloud Foundation, where you can operate your infrastructure on-prem and off-prem for traditional and modern cloud-native application. Here is an example of one of our recent consolidation success criteria using hyperconverged infrastructure. Niagara College is located in Ontario, Canada, and it focuses on applied education and training with more than 10,000 full-time students and 15,000 part-time students. There are significant IT challenges that needed to be addressed as students' population grew and demand for IT services increased. Specifically, the school's computer lab was quite traditional and old, wherein they never allowed students to bring their own devices and the licensing cost of their application increased. And this is when they came to us asking for a solution. How VMware helped Niagara College was we adopted virtual desktop infrastructure and school was able to give students remote access to applications previously only accessible in the computer lab, while at the same time freeing up half of the computer lab real estate for additional classroom space. Today, with the help of software-defined data center powered by vSphere, vSAN, and NSX, and with the help of Horizon, the complete automated lab is now automated and students can access application from any location to any device. Coming back to the use cases and one of the recent consolidation from Vellore Institute of Technology in Chennai. VIT had old silos infrastructure running in their environment, which were primarily the server storage refresh due because they had their AMC warranty out for last 7 years. And what did VMware do is we helped VIT leverage our SDDC stack, do a live optics to them, understand their environment, and we did a pre-enable workshop and showed them where they can leverage their digital transformation to the next journey in the next 4 to 5 years. Depending upon the use cases, depending upon the transformation of where the VIT wanted to see today, we helped them higher resource utilization in a better control IT infrastructure. We also made or provided an on-demand lab for students to complete their lab exercise from anywhere within the campus. We helped migrate their existing email solution from legacy infra to HCI-based infrastructure. And how do we do this? We completely help migrate your old legacy hardware stack to the latest one with the help of vSphere, VROps, and NSX, and the UC portion to complete your Horizon lab setup. By this, VIT provisioned a TCO reduction of around 42% compared to the legacy old application. Coming back to the identity, right? What we help any of the customers do is, because with today's digital workspace framework, VMware is the only company that allows you to bring applications to any device while ensuring security, compliance, and data governance by integrating with your existing enterprise systems. Any application such as Windows application, web application, HTML, or mobile application can now be experienced on any device such as laptops, desktops, tablets, phone, and vending machine. By leveraging one's infrastructure on a platform, students can now enable digital transformation in the new era. And this is where students are consumerizing any application on the most effective way. How do we ensure your application access through any of these devices play a major role in embracing one's digital journey? With the help of the VMware Virtual Cloud Network, we help you move your networking into empower and protect applications data regardless of where they sit from edge to edge. The Virtual Cloud Network enables organizations to seize a cloud networking fabric as the software-defined architecture for connecting everything in the most distributed world, because it represents a significant advancement in enterprise networking. You can now move your application or protect your application data regardless of where they sit from edge to edge. Security is the most complex approach in one's IT needs. Today's approach to security is too complex because every organization relies on too many products. Each customer deploys 70 to 100 security products, each with its own management console and many with their own agents. Most are focused on blocking threats at the perimeter without understanding the context. They don't know enough about the applications or the infrastructure, which application requires an agent or an endpoint detection result. VMware leverages this to help you implement a zero trust security model across all environments and greatly reduce your attack surface with the fewer products. Combining this with the real-time threat data from VMware Carbon Black and the security capabilities of NSX, you can have a new level of protection for data center workloads, endpoints, and public cloud environments with much lower operating burden. And we've centralized the analytics so that teams can share information in an integrated workflow. You can help access threats and vulnerabilities in the most efficient way, because security becomes a team sport across security operations and IT infrastructure journey. Identification is the new perimeter. A new way of journey is to support mobile learning, retain students, and grow revenue. We help you focus on improving the computing experience for students. For the largely BYOD environments in higher education, end user application can now be accessed or followed within the identity regardless of what device they're using at the moment, allowing them to move between devices just as they move through their day with Workspace ONE for higher education. Bring your own device is the generation of the talk today, because we help you leverage application to end users in the most efficient way. VMware Carbon Black portfolio is the latest security offering from the VMware generation of services. VMware Carbon Black is a software as a service solution that provides next generation antivirus, we also call it NGAV, endpoint detection and response, advanced threat hunting, and vulnerability management within a single console using a single sensor. The best part about this agent is this is a single lightweight agent which sits on any of the devices and now is available on two of the offerings. It's either available as a SaaS-based, a subscription-based model, or on-premises offering for legacy institutes where they believe the agent has to sit on-premises. We have a controlled locker encryption that helps you leveraging any of your service needs to end customer. So what do we do together? Together, we have to become student-centric for any of these universities to succeed in the longer term. With mobile education experience playing a major role in offering faster learning on or off campus, we help you experience a classroom space into the most digital learning environment. We help you integrate your mobile devices into learning processes based upon any SAML application that can be embraced in the digital technology. We also help you reduce your carbon foot energy by reducing your energy consumption by leveraging the latest generation of VMware offerings that can help you become more student-centric today. Thank you for your time. Let's extend the campus a reality into the digital transformation story. We're now open for Q&A if you have any questions to me. Thank you.